Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to undo an exam attempt. You might want to do this if a student submitted it before they were done by mistake, it somehow got accidentally submitted when they didn't, and when they were still working on it, or if you just want to give them a second chance for whatever reason. So for instance, you might have a student that didn't realize that they had 3 attempts for each question. And so they just did 1 attempt for each question and submitted thinking they got 3 attempts at the entire quiz and thought that they could go back in and do it a second and third time the entire thing instead of doing their 3 attempts within each question. And then maybe they did poorly. So those might be some of the reasons you need to totally remove an attempt and let a student start over from scratch. So it's a 2-step process. In the gradebook, which is where you would see the result, and that might trigger why you might want to do this. You would find the one that you want to look at. I'm not really going to do it here. I'm just going to show you the steps that you would go through. But you'd click on the numbers in the gradebook for the assignment that you want, so the right column. And then if you come over here, you'll see history. So you click to load the grade history. And then you can click here to delete the attempt. That will only, sorry, the email's covering it. That will only delete it here in the gradebook. To delete it on the student end, that's the second step of the process. So to do that, you'll have to come up here to students and make sure you select your class. I'll select my section. And then you find the student whose attempt you want to fully delete so that they can redo it. You come over here to actions once you identify the right student, and you click on student report. And then once you're in student report, for this instance, you're going to want to go to the exams because that's where our IT 100 quizzes are. And you'll see any quizzes that they've attempted to do. And if you find the one that you want to delete, and over here, you just would click the delete button. So just make sure that it's the right one before you delete it, because I don't believe you can undo it. But that's how you would go about doing that. So once you do those 2 steps, the student, it will look like they've never taken the exam at all, and they can go in and start fresh.